Howdy partners, are you ready for a real treat? This pimento dip is so delicious, it's easy to make too. You can whip it up in a flash. Get ready for your taste buds to do a happy dance. This dip is perfect for parties. Everyone will love it. Or, you can make it for a quiet night in. You deserve a treat. I like to eat it with crackers, but you can use it for veggies too. This recipe has two parts. First, we'll make crispy paprika breadcrumbs. Don't worry, they are easy. Then, we'll mix up the creamy, cheesy dip. Are you ready? Let's get started. These breadcrumbs are the best. They add a nice crunch to the dip. You only need a few ingredients. You probably have them in your pantry right now. For the breadcrumbs, you will need 1 cup of breadcrumbs. I like panko breadcrumbs. 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. First, melt your butter. I like to use the microwave, but you can use the stovetop too. Just be careful not to burn it. Next, mix the melted butter with the breadcrumbs. Stir it all up until the breadcrumbs are coated. Now add your paprika. I like to add a little extra paprika for color. It makes it so pretty. Finally, add salt and pepper to taste. Now spread the breadcrumbs on a baking sheet. Pop them in the oven at 350 degrees. Bake for about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You don't want them to burn. Once they are golden brown, take them out of the oven. Let them cool while you make the dip. Now for the star of the show, the pimento cheese. This is so simple to make. You'll be amazed at how easy it is. Here's what you need. 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, half a cup of mayonnaise, 4 ounces of diced pimentos, drained, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and salt and pepper to taste. First, grab your softened cream cheese. Put it in a big bowl. Now, add the shredded cheddar cheese, mayonnaise, and pimentos. Mix it all up. I like to use a hand mixer, but you can use a spoon if you need to. Just make sure everything is nice and combined. Now add your garlic powder, give it another good stir. Finally, taste your dip. Does it need more salt and pepper? Add a little at a time until it's perfect for you. Your pimento cheese dip is ready to go. Sprinkle those crispy paprika breadcrumbs on top. Isn't it pretty? Serve it with your favorite crackers. I like to use Ritz crackers, but you can use Triscuits, Wheat Thins, or anything you like. You can store any leftover dip in the refrigerator. Just put it in an airtight container. It will stay fresh for a couple of days. I hope you love this recipe. It's a real crowd pleaser. Enjoy.